Hi everyone, welcome again to the channel. Today we're going to do an exercise for us to connect in deep meditation. We're going to combine breathing and pendular movements, which is very intense. We're going to begin doing this today just by sitting and moving our torso around. I'll explain you how. However, we can do this standing up in different postures, but we must be cautious because when we do very intense breathing projections, we can lose the control of our body and faint, and we can really harm ourselves. So please be cautious and don't go beyond your limits. Try to find your limits sitting down, because also sitting down you can harm yourself. You can faint and you can hit your head if you go backwards, for example. So be cautious. Basically, we're going to move our torso in different patterns. You can choose whatever you want, but we can do lateral movements, or we can go forward or backwards, right? Or we can do circles. The idea is that we breathe and we move. Always we breathe first. Breathing moves the body. We don't move the body and then we breathe. That's not how it happens. When we do conscious breathing, the breathing should move your body. You don't move your body and then you breathe. So it's very important in this case to acknowledge that, because it's the most important part of the exercise. So let's begin. Thank you again for being here. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, and start moving in your pendular motion. It can be lateral, forward or backwards, or in a circular motion. You choose the one you want. I'm going to begin with lateral. And breathe in through your nose. Hold, extend the time of your holding. And then exhale slowly, also extending the time of your exhalation, covering the most of your movement. Then inhale again through your nose. Fully inhale and hold. Yes. Remember that posture and breathing are intertwined. So please keep a very straight posture. Now exhale slowly, slowly exhale. Emptying all of your lungs and moving, inflating your movements with your breathing. That's it. Inhale again through your nose. And hold. Stay there in your pendular motion, relaxing your body, feeling all of it, integrating every single part of it. Exhale slowly, emptying all of your lungs. And repeat. We can start doing it bigger and bigger movements, compromising all of our body in it, all of our body with it. Remember that breathing moves your body. You don't move and then you breathe. First breathe and then move, and do it slowly. The slower you can, the better. This is an exercise about subtlety. We must learn to connect to subtle movements and disconnect from the fast pace of the world. What's the hurry, right? Here, the most important thing is how slowly can we be. can express, how slowly can we express our movement. We could focus it in our head and slowly move it around, relaxing all your spine. And then we can go to really slow and subtle movements. So we create inertia. The idea is to get to the point where we move without resistance. And you'll feel it. You'll go like full automation. That's the vital energy accumulating in your body. And nurturing these movements without your consciousness really expressing them, just inertia. This is an exercise about time and melting with it, becoming the same, and just contemplating the essence of what we are, that we perfectly are, without the help of our mind or our ego or our belief system. This is prior to all that. This is our temple. We didn't create it. This is not our creation. Understand this and rejoice with it, because it's a gift, a beautiful gift that we can really live in consciousness. But first we need to heal. And all these exercises of Tantra, of posture, of breathing, are here for us to help us purge, to help us transform everything into something better. That's the talent of being a human. So, slowly, you can open your eyes and rediscover your surroundings with ease, with love, because it's perfect. It's just beautiful. that's it. Thank you for being here. Hope you enjoyed this exercise. Stay connected to the channel. There are going to come a lot more exercises like this. So that's it. Thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.